everyone, Jo here from the Lavinia Creatives. I hope you're doing okay and having a lovely day. Now today I've got a lovely design to share with you, and you may spot a fabulous new stencil. Now what have we got here? Diamonds are forever maybe? And I think this is just going to be so useful. It's going to create a background for so many different designs, and I'm just saying fabulous for men's cards as well. I've had so much fun with it. Now this design starts as an A6 piece of multifarious cardstock, and as you know I tend to do my stamping first, and I'm coming in with the gorgeous, this is the Pixie Lanterns, and I'm just going to stamp sideways. It just works better for me. Nocturne. So we're coming in with the black permanent ink, and I'm going to stamp my sort of central stamp first. Often it's easier to start in the middle and work your way out when stamping. Look at that beautiful detail. And then just going to ink up again and then go at either side. And I sort of look, because I can see through the Lavinia blocks, I can see where I want to stamp. And I almost want the lanterns look, that shape, to keep going. Now this, I think you could stamp it. If you wanted to stamp the other way, I reckon you could get 3, 4, 5 or 6. You could carry on stamping. If you did a DL design and actually went landscape, I think you could stamp all the way along the top. Just seeing how well the pattern goes. So next I'm going to add some colour. My modulars, pencils, and I know you want to know what numbers. This is 18 and 19. Piece of copied paper or tissue just to lean on. Now again, I tend to do the darker colour first, and then when I've coloured all the darker areas, I'll come in with my lighter colour and blend the two together. So just relax and do some lovely colouring. You can see how well the colours blend so well together, and by going over the darker area, look, the lighter blue just blends beautifully. Next we're going to bring in this beautiful new stencil, and for this I'm going to come in with Blue Lagoon, just to match with the blue. Now this, I'm going to use the lines on my mats. And that's one of the good things about the Lavinia craft mat. Fabulous for blending. It's non-slip, but also I can use the lines to just line this up, because obviously when you've got a geometric shape, you want it to be straight. Now it's important I blend in the lid. Don't want too much colour. And I'm going to start at the top in the middle and gently tickle through the stencil. And I'm being mindful to go over where the stamped image is and then just come down a little bit further. But it's very much a tickle. If I want to see how much colour, I can lift up. Yeah, now I think that's enough colour. And what I'm going to do with the ink that's left on my brush, I want some tone on tone here. So I'm going to bring in just a subtle amount of blue. You'll still see the pattern through, and I love to do this tone on tone, but also it's a great way. Oh, I missed one there. So whoever spotted that and shouted, thank you. So if I just show you what's lovely about this, we've got the white areas and the blue and white here, but look, you've got that lighter blue, so you've got dark, light and white, and it just gives an extra lovely tone. Now also I need a couple of butterflies. I have stamped some already, and they're very easy. Look, a quick bit of cutting round, cut them out. To colour them, same two pencils, look, and I know you're going to ask, a little bit of the darker colour in the middle, lighter colour. Don't need to go right to the edges, look, because the clear, wink of Stella, and just blend, and look how it takes that colour right to the edge. And when that dries, we'll get that lovely bit of sparkle on there. So there's an extra one to go in my tin. So it's positioning these. The other thing is I'm going to put on one of our lovely words, and we're going to go for think happiness, and these are the sentiment stickers. Now you know me, pop it on and let's see. I think I'm probably going to put it down. Yeah, for some reason I prefer this side, so we'll pop that there and just decide where I want. Oh, maybe I could put them down here on this one. Yes, just to be different, I think I'll put them down here on this one. Now, I just draw with my black fine liner the antennae because I don't cut them off, I'm afraid. Bippity boppity glue. Remember, it dries clear. You get wiggle time, or flying time, I should say. And then we'll add some lovely white highlights. So with the Posca, give it a shake and then just come in and add yourself some lovely little highlights, and just on the butterfly. And then finally, I just want to add some little splatters. So to add the splatters, I'm going to use one of our lovely mica minerals, and this is Bluebird. And I'm just going to pop myself a little bit on a block, and then add a little bit of water with my fan brush, and then I'll just come in and just add myself some lovely little water splatters. Now the thing is with these, they'll have that lovely iridescence with them. So we'll give this a wipe. And what I tend to do, because obviously we don't want to waste anything, this I will stamp another design and I'll use that and paint with it. It's fabulous to paint with. And as I say, when they dry, they've got the most fabulous sparkle. But what I will do as well, look, we've got that ink on there. So before I go, Eric's here, so he's going to get a bit of a shower. We'll give that a spray. Pop that on there. And then I can make a tag for Tag Tuesday on our socials. So remember, on our Lavinia For You and Reach Out with Lavinia, on a Tuesday we share tags. So I'm thinking this will make a great background. It'll give me a start for an idea for that tag. Oh, look at that. Don't need to do any more for that tag on Tuesday. When that dries. Oh, I love that. And I love the way that one's darker and these ones are just fabulous. Yeah, happy with that. So here's the finished design. And here's the one I've got ready to go and add to a card blank. And I might even do the same on that tag, you know. So thanks as always for popping in. And I hope you love our new diamonds. I hope you're going to have lots of fun. And please share your designs. I can't wait to see what you do. So you take care. Have a lovely weekend. And I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.